Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best portable mini PCs that offer exceptional performance in compact packages. Whether you're a gamer, professional, or just need a powerful machine on the go, we've got you covered. Let's break down the pros and cons of each device to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Morefine M9 Pro Portable Mini PC. The Morefine M9 Pro Portable Mini PC offers an impressive blend of power, versatility, and portability. With a compact design and strong performance features, it is tailored to cater to users who need a high-performance device for both professional and personal use. Let's dive into the pros and cons of this mini PC to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros: powerful processing capabilities. At the heart of the Morefine M9 Pro is the Intel Core i5-12450H processor. With a turbo boost speed of up to 4.40 GHz, this processor delivers exceptional power, ensuring smooth multitasking and excellent performance across a variety of applications. Whether you're running resource-heavy programs, editing videos, or indulging in gaming, this mini PC can handle it all with ease. 4K multi-screen support. One of the standout features of the M9 Pro is its ability to support up to 3 4K displays simultaneously. This makes it an ideal choice for users who need a high level of productivity or those who want an immersive entertainment experience. The 4K resolution across multiple screens ensures crystal clear visuals for both work and play. Expandable memory. The Morefine M9 Pro offers expandable memory support of up to 64 GB of DDR4 RAM. This is particularly useful for those who need to run memory-intensive tasks, such as heavy-duty gaming, video editing, or software development. With this capacity, the device is future-proof and offers plenty of headroom for running multiple applications at once. Versatile usage. Whether you're looking for a device for daily office tasks, casual gaming, or even some light video editing, the M9 Pro offers the perfect balance of performance. Its versatility makes it suitable for users who need a device that can seamlessly transition between work and entertainment without compromise. Compact and stylish design. The Morefine M9 Pro's small form factor is another key advantage. Despite its powerful specs, the mini PC is compact and lightweight, making it highly portable. Its sleek, modern design means it won't take up too much space on your desk or in your bag, making it ideal for users who need to work or game on the go. Cons: limited graphics performance for high-end gaming. While the Intel Core i5 processor can handle many games and workloads, the M9 Pro's integrated graphics may struggle with high-end gaming at ultra settings or running graphically demanding software. If you're a gamer looking for top-tier performance, a dedicated GPU would be a better choice for your needs. The Morefine M9 Pro Portable Mini PC is an excellent option for those who need a compact yet powerful device for both work and play. Its strong performance, 4K multi-screen support, and expandable memory make it a versatile and future-proof solution for a variety of users. Coming in at number 4, the Gmktec K6 Portable Mini PC. The Gmktec K6 Portable Mini PC is a compact powerhouse, designed to offer impressive performance in a small form factor. Equipped with the latest AMD Ryzen R7 7840HS processor, advanced connectivity options, and versatile display capabilities, it's built to cater to users looking for power, flexibility, and efficiency. But like any tech product, it has its strengths and areas for improvement. Here's a detailed breakdown of the pros and cons of the Gmktec K6 Mini PC. Pros: powerful performance. The Gmktec K6 is powered by the AMD R7 7840HS, an 8-core, 16-thread processor with base frequencies of 3.8 GHz and the ability to boost up to 5.1 GHz. This makes it more than capable of handling demanding tasks like content creation, gaming, and multitasking with ease. With a solid performance core, it can manage most workloads efficiently, whether you're working or enjoying entertainment. Generous storage and memory. The K6 comes equipped with 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of SSD storage. This configuration offers ample space for storing files, media, and other essentials while also delivering smooth multitasking and fast application loading times. For most users, this amount of memory and storage is more than sufficient for everyday use. Advanced connectivity. With Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, the K6 ensures fast and reliable internet connectivity, along with seamless wireless data transfer. Whether you're streaming content or working from home, this mini PC will keep you connected at optimal speeds. The USB 4.0 and USB 3.2 outputs also provide ultra-fast data transfer speeds, enhancing productivity. Triple screen display. A standout feature of the Gmktec K6 is its ability to support a triple screen setup. It can connect to 3 displays simultaneously via HDMI 2.0, DP 1.4, and Type-C. This flexibility is perfect for multitaskers, whether you're working on multiple projects, gaming, or enjoying entertainment. It enhances your productivity by allowing you to spread your tasks across 3 monitors. Cons. Limited storage expansion. While the 512 GB SSD storage is adequate for most users, the lack of easy expandability can be a downside for those who require more space. The K6 doesn't offer many options for users to expand storage without replacing the existing SSD, which may be inconvenient for people with large media libraries or extensive data needs. The Gmktec K6 portable mini PC is a highly capable, compact device that offers a solid performance package, with great multitasking ability, fast connectivity, and a range of connectivity ports. At number 3, we have the Aoostar Gem 12 Pro Max Portable Mini PC. The Aoostar Gem 12 Pro Max Portable Mini PC has made waves in the computing world with its compact design and powerful performance. Featuring top-of-the-line components such as the Ryzen 7 8845HS processor and ample storage options, this mini PC offers versatility for a wide range of uses. Whether you're looking for a powerful work machine or a compact gaming system, the Aoostar Gem 12 Pro Max promises to deliver. Let's break down the key pros and cons of this device to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros. Powerful processor. The Aoostar Gem 12 Pro Max is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor, a high-performance chip ideal for multitasking, gaming, and productivity tasks. With its excellent performance in both single-core and multi-core tasks, this processor can easily handle demanding applications such as video editing, gaming, and 3D rendering. Ample RAM. Equipped with 32 GB of DDR5 RAM, the Aoostar Gem 12 Pro Max ensures smooth multitasking and can run memory-hungry applications without breaking a sweat. Whether you're running multiple browser tabs, editing large files, or running virtual machines, the generous RAM will support your needs with ease. Fast storage. The 512 GB M.2 SSD provides ample storage space while ensuring lightning-fast read and write speeds. This means faster boot times, quicker file transfers, and smoother application launches. It's a great feature for anyone who values speed and efficiency in their workflow. Advanced connectivity. The Aoostar Gem 12 Pro Max comes with 2 USB 4 ports, offering high-speed data transfer and the ability to connect to a range of modern peripherals. Additionally, the 2 DDR5 slots ensure faster memory performance, and the 2.5G LAN ports provide excellent network speeds for a seamless online experience, whether you're streaming, gaming, or working from home. Cons. Cooling and noise. While the device does offer powerful specs, cooling can sometimes become a concern with compact systems. The small form factor may result in higher internal temperatures during intense usage, leading to potential thermal throttling or fan noise. Users who prioritize quiet operation might find the cooling system a bit loud under heavy workloads. The Aoostar Gem 12 Pro Max Portable Mini PC is a fantastic option for users seeking a high-performance, compact, and versatile machine. With its powerful Ryzen 7 processor, ample RAM, fast SSD, and modern connectivity options, it's well suited for a variety of tasks, from professional work to casual gaming. Next up at number 2 is the Beelink SER8 Portable Mini PC. The Beelink SER8 Portable Mini PC is a compact powerhouse designed to meet the needs of users seeking strong performance in a small form factor. Equipped with a robust AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor and a variety of impressive features, it stands out as an excellent choice for gamers, professionals, and those needing a versatile, space-saving computing solution. Below is an in-depth look at the pros and cons of the Beelink SER8 to help you determine if it's the right mini PC for your needs. Pros. Powerful performance. The Beelink SER8 is equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7 8745HS processor that offers 8 cores and 16 threads, ensuring impressive computing power for even the most demanding tasks. Its base clock speed of 3.8 GHz, which can boost up to 4.9 GHz, makes it ideal for gaming, video editing, and handling other processor-intensive applications. Whether you're multitasking or running complex software, this mini PC delivers smooth and responsive performance. Ample storage and memory. The SER8 is packed with 24 GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD. This generous amount of RAM and storage ensures that the mini PC can easily handle large files, demanding applications, and multitasking. The SSD not only offers quick boot-up times but also provides lightning-fast data transfer speeds, enhancing overall system performance. 4K 120Hz HD and triple display support. Thanks to its AMD Radeon 780M GPU, the Beelink SER8 can handle 4K UHD video playback at 120 Hz, making it an excellent choice for those who need powerful graphics for tasks like video editing or light gaming. The GPU also supports triple display functionality, allowing users to connect up to 3 monitors simultaneously. This feature is especially beneficial for multitaskers or professionals who need to work across multiple screens. Cons. Limited customization. Compared to larger desktop PCs, the Beelink SER8 offers fewer customization options. The RAM and storage are both ample, but since the system is compact, there's less room for upgrades or modifications in the future. Users looking for the ability to expand their hardware in the future may find this aspect restrictive. The Beelink SER8 Portable Mini PC is an impressive device that offers powerful performance, an efficient cooling system, and a range of connectivity options. Its 4K support, triple display capability, and ample storage make it suitable for both professionals and casual users. Finally, at number 1, we have the Firebat A8 Portable Mini PC. The Firebat A8 Portable Mini PC packs a punch with impressive specs and cutting-edge features, making it an ideal solution for those who want high performance in a compact package. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor and Radeon 780M graphics, this mini PC promises powerful performance, versatile connectivity, and customizable cooling. Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons of the Firebat A8 to help you decide if it's the right choice for your needs. Pros. Powerful performance. Equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7 8845HS processor and Radeon 780M graphics, the Firebat A8 delivers robust computing power. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or engaging in professional creative work, this mini PC can handle demanding tasks with ease. The 16 GB DDR5 5600 MHz memory ensures smooth multitasking and fast performance, further enhancing the overall user experience. Exceptional connectivity. With Wi-Fi 6 and 2.5 Gbps dual-port Ethernet, the Firebat A8 provides fast and stable internet connections. This makes it perfect for activities like online gaming, HD video streaming, and video conferencing, where reliable connectivity is essential. Versatile USB 4 functionality. The inclusion of dual USB 4 ports is one of the standout features of the Firebat 8. These ports support high-speed data transfer, video output, and even the use of external GPUs, This versatility is particularly beneficial for professional and creative users who need fast, reliable connections for peripherals and external devices. Customizable cooling modes. The Firebat A8 offers 3 cooling modes, allowing users to adjust the device's performance based on their specific needs. Whether you're prioritizing power for high-performance tasks or opting for quieter operation during work hours, the customizable cooling modes ensure a balance between noise levels and performance. Cons: limited graphics performance for high-end gaming. While the Radeon 780M graphics are more than capable for everyday tasks, they may not be sufficient for users seeking top-tier graphics performance for the most demanding games or professional-level graphics work. Gamers or creators who require cutting-edge GPU performance may need an external GPU to fully unlock the device's potential. The Firebat A8 portable mini-PC is an excellent choice for users who need high performance in a compact, portable form. Its powerful specs, exceptional connectivity, and future-ready technology make it a standout in the mini-PC market.